Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My underscore 238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. It is Wednesday, which means we're going home. But we're out to have some fun in Kansas City before heading home to Wichita. But I believe I'm going to miss our bowl event today. I don't know. Plus, I watch it on my mom's phone or on my phone. So, yeah. But anyway, my mom did finish packing last night while I was asleep. So, yeah. But anyway, let's get this day started. So, by the way, I did watch the Bebos this morning. So, yeah. But to be leaving the room and watching the Apple event as I leave the room. So yeah. Angie wants Taco Bell. We're still watching the Apple event. And guess what? They just revealed Apple Watch Ultra.
And it's insanely expensive.
Yep.
Better yet, a dual
Same.
frequency.
What do you think of a new iPhone 14 and also the brand new iPhone 14 Pro? Whoa, can you believe that? It's crazy, man. By the way, which is why about the mall, the old Punk Mall, so yeah. Wow, Punk Mall, and I swim by the food court to this sushi place right here. So, I just got done watching the Apple event. I'm excited for the brand new Apple Watch Series 8, Apple Watch SE, Apple Watch Ultra, and also the new AirPods Pro, the new iPhone 14, and the iPhone 14 Plus, and the iPhone 14 Pro, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So, yeah, most amazing announcements during this Apple event, but I will record the highlights about the Apple event I saw while I was getting ready to go and drive towards the mall. So yeah, overall it's pretty good. But right now I'm at Old Mall. I just got done with sushi. I'm sitting at the food court. And yeah. Since I finished the Apple event, we're gonna shop. So we're gonna swing by Macy's. Look at that. They have a Toys R Us at Macy's. Look at that. Look at Mrs. Fields. Wow, look at that. Swing by Bugs Lunch. Look at that. Alright, so we're waiting by Starbucks because they have a pumpkin spice frappuccino there. So, we didn't get Starbucks more of them because we have Dutch Bros in Wichita, right, Mom? So, yeah, we're getting Starbucks. Look at this, guys. The pumpkin flavors are back at Starbucks. Got the pumpkin spice frappuccino with pumpkin still. So, yeah, pretty nice. Check it out. They have a Mario Lego set at the Lego store. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. You can build one of these. Wow.
You can build like
Okay, so we have the old
Look
pumpkin
at
bear,
that.
and he's not glowing anymore.
Wow.
Can you change his back?
Look at this. Look at that.
25th.
Pumpkin spice fair. So there he is, pumpkin spice bear with a pumpkin spice scent, pumpkin spice strawberry with a pumpkin spice drink. Pretty awesome. We just at Oak Park Mall, so we did swing by Mrs. Fields Cookies to get cookies. I got a Kansas City one, and Angie, what you got?
I got a mommy one.
She got a mommy one, and we just got a Halloween cookies from Mrs. Fields. So anyway, we got about 4-hour road trip back home to Wichita. Traffic! Why? Swing by Taco Bell in Ottawa to get some tacos and nachos again, and yes, we did it earlier at Kansas City, and now we're getting it at Ottawa. So, yeah. Back home from Kansas City, so yeah, but I wasn't feeling anything because I'm going through emotions right now, but I'm okay. So yeah, because I was wanting the Series 8 Apple Watch and iPhone 14 Pro, but I'm on a tight budget. I don't know what's going on in my mind here, so hopefully my mind clears up. So yeah. But anyway, I'm not gonna do a haul tonight, but maybe in tomorrow's vlog I will show you guys what happened during the Apple event from earlier today. So yeah, of course I'm excited for the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14s, and also the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch Ultra and AirPods Pro. So yeah, that'll be on the next vlog. And then on Friday I'm getting switching free, so yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So tomorrow is back to normal, back to life, but I will vlog the stuff that we saw during the Apple event earlier today. I watched it on the road to the mall. So yeah, but anyway, let me know in the comments down below how you watched the Apple event. Just let me know. But make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventures right to me. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. I'm going to relax tonight. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Cam 17's channel. Until next time, peace.